found an underrated AI niche that is going viral right now, and no, it's not Reddit stories. So in this video I'll show you the niche and how to create videos like this using a secret tool that will make the whole process easy and automate everything because time is money. So let's sit down and let me show you. Okay, so you know how AI history videos went viral a couple of months ago? They were all over TikTok, they were all over YouTube, how you can make this type of videos. Well, I was doing a research a couple days ago and I stumbled upon a page that really surprised me. And that page is this one. You can probably see it on the screen right now. I think it is the only page that has this type of niche. And that niche is actually combining multiple niches together. This one is combining two niches. And it is the history videos together with innovations. So that's what we want to do today. You can even copy this page and this type of videos, or you can combine history with something else, for example history plus cars. Make sure the main part is history. So that's the niche, history plus blank. And later I'll tell you a secret on how you can automate things and abuse the TikTok algorithm in order to go viral on multiple pages. So first of all we need the video idea, which is the base of the video of going viral. Okay, so here's how I did things. First of all, I googled how it was created, just this keyword, and I had some results and I stumbled across this video, how civilization was created by bread. What you should do ideally is watch the video and make a 100-150 word script. If not, go to ChatGPT, which I don't really recommend, and do not ask it to paraphrase the video, paraphrase the script, or create a script through the video, but instead get the title of the video and use this prompt that you can see on the screen right now, which is the one I used, and the result I got was pretty satisfying compared to every other attempt I made. It took me some time. Then I made some changes and just polished the script a bit, and it turned out pretty good. Now I'm gonna show you the tool we're gonna use to create this video very fast, and it is aicat.pro. You can click the link in the description to go visit the site, and you can create an account for free and create a video for free. So here you can see different options. We have PDF to brainrot, which is interesting, and I'm gonna show you how you can also automate things later in the video. The fake text story is also a viral niche which I might cover in a future video. So we click on AI image story. Here first of all we need to enter our script. So next we go to video. I would leave everything as is, and then we choose our image style. It depends on what video you're going for. I'm gonna try cinematic for this one. Then the captions, you can do no caption if you want to add your own captions later. I wouldn't use these three. I'm gonna stick with this one. The narrator, the AI voice is integrated here. You can use 11 labs. I'm gonna use Adam for this example because it's the most basic one, but I would highly recommend to play with these choices because this will make a difference and make you stand out from the rest of the competition. Then background music, you can either choose background music here or later on TikTok, but these are already viral sounds taken from TikTok, so just like that it is generating. It will take around 2 to 5 minutes. Here we go, status success, and now let's see the results of the video.
The very foundation of civilization was built on bread. Thousands of years ago.
If you want to automate all of this and post every single day on autopilot without it taking you too much time, so you're gonna use AI Cat's automation campaigns. First go to automate and click on create new campaign. Add a campaign name. You can select the idea, which for us it would be history, and then explain your idea with your own words. Make it as descriptive as possible because we want the results to be on point. And then choose post frequency and time, and you can directly post it to your TikTok and YouTube channel or get the videos by email and then upload them yourself. And in the video settings you can do all the things we did previously, which is very important to have a style and consistency within your videos. And once everything is done, click on create campaign. Now your campaign is live, it runs on autopilot. You will get the text, the script, the description, the hashtags, the title, everything. And then all you have to do is just copy and paste things and upload the video. This will take like a minute or 30 seconds. And the secret strategy you can use with this website is create multiple accounts and then upload these videos on all your pages. And the reason you need lots of pages is not because all of them will go viral and you will make a lot of money. This is also part of the strategy, but TikTok sometimes shadow bans accounts or sometimes favors some accounts. And one trick that a lot of big accounts and big pages do is create multiple pages to find the algorithmically blessed page, the one or two that will actually go viral again and again and again. I also did that plenty of times, but I was creating everything manually. But with this you can do everything automatically. And even this Reddit post had its third account reach 10k followers. This method is easier than ever to do because of this tool, so I recommend you checking it out. Go to the description and try this method out for a month and see if it works. You will get your first paycheck.
The very foundation of civilization was built on bread. Thousands of years ago, humans were hunters and gatherers. until one fateful discovery: bread. Grains ground into flour, baked over fire. It wasn't just food. It was the key to everything. The first settlements formed. As bread fed the masses, societies emerged. People stayed in one place, built homes, and created laws. The rise of civilization, powered by the humble loaf. What was the real power behind it all? Bread. The ancient mystery? That changed the world.